Space is weird. The more we learn about it, the less it makes sense. Up is down. Time slows down. And everything you thought was normal? Yeah, not out here. We live our lives on this beautiful blue marble, often forgetting the sheer mind-altering strangeness that lies just beyond our atmosphere. Today we're embarking on a journey not just through the vastness of space, but through the very fabric of understanding. We're counting down 10 space facts so strange they sound like science fiction, but I assure you, they are as real as the ground beneath your feet. Let's begin this exploration into the beautifully bizarre together. Consider this very moment. You might be sitting comfortably, feeling a sense of stillness. But that sensation of immobility is one of the grandest illusions our senses play on us. In the grand theater of the cosmos, there is no such thing as truly standing still. Every second you, me, all of us, are participants in an intricate high-speed dance across the universe. Right now, the Earth beneath your feet is spinning on its axis at roughly 1,000 miles per hour. Earth is also orbiting the Sun at an astonishing 67,000 miles per hour. Our entire solar system is orbiting the galactic center at approximately 500,000 miles per hour. And the galaxy? It's moving through the intergalactic void. You are never ever still. We are all cosmic travelers. We often think of time as a constant, an unyielding river flowing at the same pace for everyone. But time is not absolute. It's malleable, flexible, and intertwined with the fabric of space-time. The stronger the gravitational pull, the slower time itself moves. This concept, known as gravitational time dilation, is a measurable reality. Imagine two clocks, one at sea level and another on a high mountain. The clock at sea level will run infinitesimally slower. Consider a black hole. Time for you would pass much slower near a black hole than for someone observing from a distance. Our global positioning system must account for gravitational time dilation. Gravity warps time itself, a reminder that our intuitive understanding of the universe is often just a limited glimpse of a much richer reality. Time dances to the tune of gravity, stretching and compressing across the cosmic expanse. On Earth, our sense of direction is fundamental. Up is towards the sky, away from gravity. Down is towards the ground. Yet step off our planet and into space, and this framework dissolves. In the microgravity environment of orbit, the concepts of up and down lose their universal meaning. Imagine an astronaut floating inside the International Space Station. Which way is up? There is no inherent, absolute up or down in space. This absence of a universal down is a direct consequence of gravity, or rather, the lack of it when in freefall. In space, you are free to choose your own up, a liberating aspect of existence beyond Earth. Where is the center of the universe and where does it end? The universe, as we understand it, has no discernible center and no definitive edge. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space, it was an explosion of space itself. Imagine a loaf of raisin bread baking in an oven. As the dough expands, all the raisins move farther apart. Similarly, every point in our universe is moving away from every other distant point as space itself stretches. There's no privileged central location. If the universe is expanding, what is it expanding into? There's no outside for it to expand into. The universe could be infinite in extent or finite but unbounded, like the surface of a sphere. The search for a center or an edge is a quest for something that likely doesn't exist in the way we intuitively imagine. We are part of the very fabric of an ever-expanding reality. Saturn, with its majestic rings and colossal size, is a giant of our solar system. But despite its grandeur, it's remarkably light for its size. Saturn is the only planet in our solar system that is less dense than water. If you could find a bathtub large enough, Saturn would float. Its lightness lies in its composition, primarily hydrogen and helium. This gaseous nature means its overall mass-to-volume ratio is surprisingly low. Saturn is the beach ball of our solar system, massive yet buoyant. Saturn, the ring jewel, is the solar system's most buoyant planet. The term black hole conjures images of cosmic vacuum cleaners. But black holes aren't really holes. They are immense amounts of matter packed into an incredibly small space. A black hole is what remains when a very massive star collapses under its own gravity. Surrounding this singularity is the event horizon, the point of no return. Black holes don't emit or reflect light, rendering them invisible. We detect them through their gravitational effects on nearby stars and gas. Black holes don't suck things in any more than other objects with gravity do. They are incredibly dense objects, the ultimate expression of gravity's power. Spooky and mysterious, but not magical space portals. When you gaze up at the night sky, you're seeing celestial objects as they were in the past. Light travels at a finite speed, and space is unimaginably vast. The light from our sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. The nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, is about 4.37 light-years away. The light from Alpha Centauri tonight left that star system 4.37 years ago. The Andromeda Galaxy is about 2.5 million light-years away. We are seeing Andromeda as it was when early hominids were roaming the Earth. Astronomical telescopes are time machines, allowing us to study the universe in its infancy. Every photon collected is a relic from a bygone era. Looking into space is literally looking into the past. The universe is full of surprises, revealing substances in unexpected places. Near the center of our Milky Way galaxy, in Sagittarius B2, astronomers have detected an enormous interstellar cloud of ethyl alcohol. This cloud is about 463 billion kilometers across. The ethyl alcohol is mixed with many other molecules including toxic methyl alcohol. The concentration is very low and incredibly cold. The presence of such complex organic molecules is significant for scientists studying the origins of life. These clouds are the birthplaces of stars and planetary systems, space, a place of profound beauty, immense power, and a hint of the familiar. Consider yourself, your hands, your heart, your brain, the very stuff you are made of. We are quite literally made of stardust. The early universe was composed almost entirely of hydrogen and helium. Heavier elements were cooked up in the fiery hearts of stars. Stars fuse lighter elements into heavier ones in their cores. When massive stars exhaust their nuclear fuel, they explode in supernovae, scattering heavy elements interstellar interstellar space. Our sun and solar system formed from such a cloud, seeded with the ashes of long-dead stars. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, the carbon in your DNA, all forged in a star. You are not just in the universe is in you. You are stardust given consciousness. Everything we can see makes up only a tiny fraction of the total mass and energy in the universe. There's far more gravity than can be accounted for by visible matter. This missing mass is what we call dark matter. Dark matter does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it invisible. It acts as an invisible cosmic scaffolding, providing the gravitational framework for galaxies. Current estimates suggest dark matter accounts for about 27% of the universe's total mass energy content. Observations reveal the expansion of the universe is accelerating, explained by dark energy. Dark energy makes up an estimated 68% of the universe. Ordinary visible matter constitutes only about 5% of the total mass energy content. We live in a universe where the vast majority of reality is invisible and profoundly mysterious. The more we learn about space, the stranger it gets. From the constant unseen motion that carries us through the cosmos, to the way gravity itself can bend the flow of time, our universe is a place of profound and often counterintuitive truths. Time stretches, matter bends, reality breaks. Each fact is a doorway to deeper contemplation, a testament to the universe's endless capacity to surprise and inspire awe. And somehow, amidst all this cosmic grandeur and strangeness, we're part of it. We are not separate from the universe, we are a way for the universe to know itself. Thanks for watching Next End Space. Hit like, subscribe, and join us next time. where curiosity is always just getting started.